My name is Leonard. I'm 10 years old. I study English at Dargah International School. Today I want to share my knowledge to everyone about alphabet. As you know, alphabet have 26 letters and it divides into two sounds. One is consonant sound and two is vowel sounds. So right now we go to our topic is look at the letter on the TV. We'll talk about the sound of alphabets. And this is alphabet. And it divides to consonants and sound and vowel sounds. And this is vowels. The first is A sound A. And the next is E sound A. And the next one is I sound E. The next one is O sound R. And the last one is U sound A. So right now we go to consonants. The first consonant is B sound B. The first is B sound B. And the next one is C sound K. And the next one is D sound D. And F sound F. G sound G. H sound H. J sound K sound K. Sound L. Sound L. N sound N. P sound P. Q sound Q. R sound R. S sound T. T sound T. And V sound V. And W sound V. X sound S. Y sound Y. Z sound Z. And right now we go to word spelling. The consonant plus vowel make two words. The first is bat. Bat. The next one is cat. And one more is down. And one more is fan. And go. And the last one is hat. And thank you for your listening.